So hello friend, this is me Sandeep, and in this video we will learn JavaScript. I mean theoretical part, very simple part of JavaScript. And before moving forward to learn JavaScript, you should have a basic idea of these few terms that I have mentioned into the chart. So they start with very first term introduction. So the introduction or definition of JavaScript is I have written it into a chart because it was difficult to mention it into this chart. So the definition is JavaScript is a lightweight object-oriented interpreted computer programming language and scripting language. It means it is just a scripting language, and it follows object orient. I mean it is a object-oriented language, and it is a very lightweight, right? Commonly used to create a interactive effect with web browser in a dynamically approach, and especially handle complexity and perform calculation, manipulation and validation tasks of a website, right? Suppose that you are creating a website and you have created all front end part. I mean navigation bar, header, footer, I mean body content, but you have to put some interactive part. Interactive means if you uh, suppose that there is a calculator and you want to perform calculation. Suppose you have put 2 plus 2 and you have entered plus, I mean equal, then it should shows, I mean 2 plus 2 equal to 4. It is an interactive dashboard, I mean kind of interactive part. So this is what JavaScript does, and it was developed by the developer named Brendan H, and he was a developer at working at Netscape, and it was said that it is I mean created within 15 days only, uh, and the date was September 1995. Okay, so basically in the starting when it was discovered or it was created, it was named as Mocha. Then after it was changed name Java, I mean live script. Then after in 1997 with the agreement of Sun Microsystem, and basically Sun Microsystem is a company which has created Java programming language because it is JavaScript. I mean it is a taking name of Java, that's why it make some, I mean kind of contract or agreement with the company name net, I mean kind of Sun Microsystem. Then after it named as JavaScript in 1997, right? So let's move forward the new term word and keyword. So basically what is the meaning of word? So the word means which meaning is whose meaning is not defined. Suppose I am saying something, and I'm saying something new thing, right? And I'm saying something few things that you know very well, like kind of code. Suppose that I said you that bro, then it don't meaning, then I said you something that you know only, okay, that you know only what I want to convey to you, right? This is the main difference of word and keyword. It means word meaning is not defined and keyword is defined. It has something a meaning and which is understand by the compiler, right? And then after it comes to variable. So variable is just a container where you can store the value of any kind of value, integer, float, and many more, right? So in JavaScript there's three type of variable: let, var and const. So basically these are the three kind of variable in JavaScript. But these two term comes into two two keyword like a global variable and a local variable. What is the meaning of global variable and local variable? Suppose you declare and initialize the variable in the starting of code, and you are going to use it into any part of your any part of your code, right? So this is what called global variable. It means you can declare or initialize the variable in the starting of your code, and you can use it anywhere of your uh, at your code, right? It could be under your function, under any block of code. So and if we talk about local variable means functional variable or blocked variable. It means you can use the value within that code, within that function. So basically you have to create that variable into that function or that code, then only you would be able to use that into that particular function or code, right? Reassignment and redeclaration. So reassignment means, suppose that you have let understand it with a very first example.